What's up, everyone? This is more or less a lower quality version of a video that is going to come. It may already be out. So this is a solar system that I'm working on. I had everything hooked up, but we decided to upgrade some of the wires and add in a different fuse. So right now we have 3 batteries, creating a battery bank. This right here is an inverter, and up here is a controller. Do not mind all the wires. We're still hooking it up. I'm waiting for some parts, so there's wires everywhere right now. But I built a raised platform here, so the wires are going to be tucked under there, and we're going to slide it under there. So let's go show you the solar panels here. So here's the solar panels. Each panel is 100 watts, so we have a 400 watt system. Okay, so to give a quick rundown of how a solar system works, you have your solar panels out there. You have your wires running from the solar panel. The wires run and connect right in here. So these 2 wires are from the solar panels. Then what you do is you have 2 wires right here. It says battery. So the positive gets connected to the positive post of your battery bank, and the negative to the negative. So what you want to do is, there's a lot of ways to hook up your battery bank, and the way that is going to work out best for my personal use is by running the wires, connect the batteries, the positive on each side, and then we connect the main lines from the inverter on the top here. Then for the negative, we connect our BTS in the center, and then we connect the negative line down on the opposite end. So pulls from there, negative from here. So the controller controls the voltage, and it also sends the voltage to the batteries to charge the batteries. You have something over here which not all controllers have, but this is a load. You can put something small like a light connected to this. So if we wanted a light like mount up in here or something, that would power just that light. Okay, so what's the inverter for? Well, the inverter connects to the battery bank with the positive and negative. And over here, the inverter does exactly what you would think an inverter would do. It inverts the electricity. So, like so, power it on. We can read our batteries, 12.8 volts. Right in here, it plugs in. We're actually going to keep that off because we don't want it on, since it's not fully hooked up. So you can see, you can measure your watts and your voltage of your batteries. Now we have 3 batteries, but we have it set up for a 12 volt system. So the highest voltage would be anywhere from 12 to 14, give or take. So what you do is you plug in whatever you want to use right into here, just like you would your home outlet, and you're good to go. That is a quick rundown. The full video is coming or is already up. If you got any questions, leave a comment. Links are in my video description where you guys can get everything you see.